Hey learners, what is up? Let's learn something today from Master J. For today's video, we are going to talk about complement of a set. So what do we mean when we say complement of a set? Suppose we have set A. The complement of set A, denoted by this symbol, is the set of all elements found in the universal set, denoted by this symbol, that are not found in set A. Usually in sets, a universal set is represented by a rectangle, and the sets themselves are represented by circles. In this illustration, the shaded part is what we call the complement of set A. Again, these are the elements that are not found in set A but can be found in the universal set. For example, we have a universal set with the following elements. Also, set A is given with the following elements. Now, what is the complement of set A? The complement of set A will have the following elements: 1, 3, and 5. Simply because these are the elements that are in the universal set but are not found in set A. So if we are going to include the elements of the given sets in the illustration on the left side, we have 2 and 4 for set A, and 1, 3, and 5 for the complement of set A. As you can see, all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are inside the rectangle. This shows that they really are the elements of the universal set. Let's have another example. Set U, or the universal set, is given as well as set A. Looking at the elements of both sets, what is the complement of set A? The complement of set A consists of the following elements: 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Again, the reason is these are the elements that are in the universal set but are not found in the given set A. To illustrate, we have this figure. Just like what I have said, the shaded part is the complement of set A. Putting the elements, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 for set A, and 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 for the complement of set A. To ensure that the elements are properly placed, check if all the elements of universal set are accounted for. Also, if we count the elements of the complement of set A, there are 5 elements. Therefore, we can write its cardinality like this. Next, let's have these 3 sets. So we have a universal set and sets A and B. Let us identify the complement of set A and the complement of set B. Since set A has A, B, C, and E as its elements, then we can say that its complement will have the following elements: D, F, and G. On the other hand, since set B has A, B, D, F, and G as its elements, then we write the complement of set B with the following elements: C and E. Moreover, the cardinality of the complement of set A is 3, and the cardinality of the complement of set B is 2. Let's have more examples. Given these sets, what is the complement of set A and set B? As you can see, the elements of our universal set are months in a year. Since set A has the elements January, June, and July, the complement of set A will be written down like this. Likewise, since set B has elements consisting of Ber months, its complement will have the following elements: For our next example, our universal set and set A are both infinite sets. Remember that an infinite set is a set that has unlimited number of elements. Now, how do we find the complement of set A? Since the universal set contains all the counting or natural numbers, and set A consists of even numbers, then the complement of set A will be the set of all odd numbers. The complement will also be an infinite set. For our last example, we have the following sets. If you notice, our universal set is written in set builder form or rule method. This was already discussed from our previous video. In set builder or rule method, the elements are not listed. That is why it's quite hard to see each element. To avoid committing a mistake, let us rewrite the given set in roster form or using the listing method. Since the elements are whole numbers less than 15, the universal set will have the following elements. Now, what is the complement of set A? The complement of set A will be like this. These are the elements found in the universal set but not in the given set A. So based from our examples, we can conclude that we cannot give the complement of a given set if the universal set is not given, because the universal set will be our basis in obtaining the elements that are not found in the given set. So those are the things that you need to remember in dealing with the complement of a set. Before we end our video, take note of the following. The complement of a given set is the set of all elements found in the universal set U that are not found in the given set itself. The complement of set A is denoted by this symbol. So there you have it, class. I hope you learned something from our video and thank you for listening. See you again next time, masters.